Al Brown was very good at fixing things around the house when they broke. One day he went to another city to do some work there, and his wife was alone in the house. While Mr. Brown was away, one of the faucets on the bathtub broke. Mrs. Brown didn't know much about fixing broken faucets, so she telephoned a plumber. The plumber came to the house that afternoon and fixed the faucet in a few minutes. When he finished, he gave Mrs. Brown his bill for the work. She looked at it for several seconds and then said, "Your prices are very high, aren't they? Do you know, the doctor costs less than this when he comes to the house." "Yes, I know," answered the plumber. "I know that very well, because I was a doctor until I was lucky enough to find this job a few months ago."
One. Why didn't Mr. Brown fix the broken faucet in his bathroom? 2. Why didn't his wife fix it? 3. Who did fix it? 4. How long did it take him? 5. What did Mrs. Brown say when she saw the plumber's bill? 6. What did the plumber answer?